So we're going to learn a little bit about our class and how things work and what does it look like on any given day, okay? So as you can see up on the board, I have a couple little things. One is what is our schedule, all right? So this is our schedule and how things kind of work, all right? So if you're in group A, all right, that kind of goes with, your bin that you have your sketchbooks in, all right? I'm going to be doing check-ins throughout the entire week. So as you can see, A's go on Monday, B's go on Tuesday, C's go on Thursday, and D's go on Friday, right? While I'm checking in on those days, everyone is going to be doing independent learning, okay? So you're going to be going in to the website and you're going to be doing a bunch of different activities, okay? Now, when I come to you, so for example, let's say Monday is your check-in day, okay? You will check in with me and then you'll get back to work, okay? Go through the week, you're going to do different activities. Back again Monday, I'm then going to say, okay, what have you accomplished since I've last seen you? All right, and we're going to then, get some points, get some, for your score sheet, and then I'll be able to answer any questions and kind of go through some grades and all the other fun jazz. Okay, so that's kind of like the gist of how we're doing things. All right, the teach part, I am going to be teaching everyone on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I will have everyone all working together and we're going to be learning a couple of things that are going to help you for after that independent learning. When everything has been all done, you're able to start working on your portfolio. Okay, so that is what that Wednesday is. All right, so what is class really all about? So class is really the best way to put it is almost like it's a game. Okay, you have to earn so many points in order to get to the grade that you want. All right, I'm going to go over in a different video on what those categories are, but as you can kind of see, all right, each grade has a different point value, all right, so that means you have to complete so many activities in order to get into that bracket, okay. Now up here, all right, is how each of these assignments are going to be graded on, all right, so we can see number one. All right, it's kind of like that novice, the one who has no idea what's going on. You've never even heard it. I kind of give you one, okay? Then we have the two, the learner. You've done my lesson, that means you actually watched my lesson. You probably answer a question, but you probably haven't quite done any practice work, okay? So that's that. I know what, like for example, an oil pastel is. I know I can do some stuff, but I really don't know how to actually work with it. You may have tried it, but really not really tried it, okay? So that's three. Midterm, excuse me. So number three, all right? So that's the skill level. That's where you start working on things and practicing it and trying to get it to be what it's supposed to be. So if you're practicing blending, well, you got to practice until it gets just right, okay? Once you have cleared that skill level and become master, that's where you get 4 points, okay? So master, the difference between skilled and master is skilled, you went through the lesson, you practiced it, okay? Master is you got it, okay? You can shade, all right? Sometimes it takes a little longer to stay in that skilled level, so to speak. For some people, some may go right through it quite easily. But let me tell you, everyone can get to that master, okay? With just a little bit of effort and a little bit of work. Right? You can, by the way, go back and rework these. So let's say you only have a 2 at the moment. You can definitely go back until the second to last day of class to get more points. All right. So that is kind of how class is going to be broken down to on what days we're going to be working and what days are going to be check-ins and how we're actually going to be doing everything.